कुरुबन वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरी गोल्ड कोस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया की एक अवश्य घूमने वाली जगह है। ये सरफस पैराडाइज से 25 किलोमीटर साउथ में पड़ता है, जो आप कार द्वारा आधा घंटे में पहुंच सकते हैं। यह 27 हेक्टेयर बुशलैंड और वर्षावन सेटिंग्स में बनाया गया है, जिसकी एंट्री फीस $50 है प्रति एडल्ट और $40 प्रति चाइल्ड है। कुरुबन वाइल्ड लाइफ सैंक्चुरी में ऑस्ट्रेलिया में पाए जाने वाले पशु पक्षियों को रखा गया है। यहाँ का मुख्य आकर्षण फ्री फ्लाइट बर्ड शो है। यह दिन में 4 बार दिखाया जाता है। प्रत्येक शो की अवधि आधा घंटे की होती है। हमने अपनी शुरुआत यहाँ चलने वाली टॉय ट्रेन से की, जो पूरे बुशलैंड से गुजरते हुए उस जगह ले गई जहाँ पर बर्ड शो होता है। यहाँ पर एक खुला मंच बनाया हुआ है और पब्लिक के बैठने के लिए बेंचें लगाई गई हैं, जिसमें 100 के लगभग लोग बैठ सकते हैं। शो आरंभ होते ही रंगीन कॉकटू और इंद्रधनुष लॉरिकेट्स ने उड़ान भरकर दर्शकों का स्वागत किया। वह हमारे सिर के करीब आकर उड़ान भरते हैं, जो दर्शकों को रोमांचित कर रहे थे। उनमें से कोई भी बंधा या टैग नहीं किया गया था और इसलिए शो का नाम फ्री फ्लाइट रखा गया है। शो में 45 पक्षियों की एक कास्ट है, जिसमें पेलिकन, उल्लू, तोते, मैकॉ, तोते, साथ ही राजसी पच्चर पूंछ वाले ईगल सहित 18 प्रजातियां शामिल हैं। शो को 2-3 एंकर्स द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया। पक्षियों के साथ बातचीत और प्रदर्शन करने के लिए मंच पर उन्हें शामिल करने के लिए लोगों के आसपास बुलाते थे। ईगल और उल्लू को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह बुलाते थे। ऑस्ट्रेलियाई पेलिकन ने भी प्रवेश किया। असली सितारा भयंकर ईगल था, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में शिकार का सबसे बड़ा पक्षी वेज टेल्ड ईगल और हैरी पॉटर का प्रिय उल्लू था। आइए देखते हैं शो की कुछ झलक।
Suggest that some dinosaurs are already evolving into birds. 150 million years ago, the first bird took flight and made our once empty skies wild.
The power of flight. It gave birds the edge over most other creatures. It allowed them to travel further and wider in search of food, and they could live where no other creature could go. Millions of years of evolution have adapted each of our bird species to find their individual niche, and it has pre-programmed them to nest, to breed, to migrate and to feed in their own unique habitat and manner. The Indigenous people of Australia, they have connected with all creatures that have roamed these lands. They've witnessed animals walk the earth that had once come from the sea and today fly in our sea.
They're given their large size, that raw control and their flocking behaviour. Our black cockatoos are easy to spot as they fly gracefully across our Australian skies. But identifying each individual species, that takes a little bit more attention to detail. And here on stage we have been joined by 3 stunning representatives. Flying nice and low overhead is Licorice. She is our juvenile yellow-tailed black cockatoo. Easy to identify with those bright yellow tip patches and bright yellow tail feathers. Now she's just taken a lap home here today, colliding with Barbara, so we'll see if we can get Licorice back out to stage so we can continue to show. We've hand-selected our feathered ambassadors like Craig and our trusty Australian Galah. So big ensure that future generations have got a natural world. So on behalf of myself, our majestic present friends, and the entire Wild Skies team, remember, power to change the world starts with all of you. Thank you so much for joining us today. What about stuff like this one here? Yes, you can fit more in his bill than a belly can. Here's the Australian pelican. Make some noise for Marlon. Absolutely incredible. Well done. Yeah, make some noise for our stunning trees. You see moments?
Hello, is gorilla, obviously not an actual gorilla. She is an Australian masked owl, the largest type of owl in the world. Now she bobs her head from side to side, she's not dancing, she's actually triangulating sound towards her lopsided ears. Now their superpower is their hearing, and it's said that their hearing is so acute that they can actually hear the squeaking of a mouse or a small child from up to 800 meters away. And they can even hear the heartbeat from 10 meters away. Now as she flew over your head, you may have noticed that you didn't hear a single wing beat. And that is because these skilled hunters have mastered the art of silent flight. A bit competitive here at the moment. Someone didn't want to go home on time. You see, the owls have frayed feathered edges which allow them to cut through the air and make no...
Be one of the most persecuted on the face of the earth. Cast your eyes to the fig tree. Introducing Mercedes, our Wedgetail eagle.
Eagle.
पेड़ देखो वैसे मोटे
She's the queen of our last time, Mercedes, our Wedgetail eagle. At the neck, go through the eye socket, flush out the juicy fuchsia brains, and then carry around that head to feel later.
Yes, they carry the skull around like a little pre-packed lunch. Isn't nature beautiful?
Nutritious.
What a wonderful place.
Delicious.
Yes, but you may have noticed these beautiful yellow eyes, and they indicate to us that this species is what we call crepuscular.
So what that means is she can see and hunt just as well during the daytime as she does at night time. Predominantly coming out at dawn dusk here in Australia.
That's right. Now, you may have also noticed that she has the ability to rotate her head quite a bit. These owls can actually rotate their head up to 270 degrees.
That's because they've got double the amount of vertebrae in their neck as a giraffe. Giraffes have 7. We actually also have 7. Barking owls have a whopping 14.
Yes, that's right. Quite a few more than us, which allows them to rotate their eyes left and right.
Correct. So they need that neck rotation to provide them with that additional advantage, especially when they hunt out in the wild, because they do hunt across a very large territory.
That's right. It's said that a companion pair of these barking owls can actually live and hunt over about 2,500 hectares. To give you guys an idea of how large that is, our entire sanctuary...
We are set on just 27 hectares. That's a really big house for a tiny little Great. And also you can see she has these stunning striations down her chest.
Yes, now what they allow her to do is to blend in the tree canopy. So what she'll do is, as she's above her prey, if they are looking up, all they should hopefully notice is dappled moonlight in the tree canopy. But all these tributes, they make her one very skilled hunter of the night. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just met Tui, our bucking.
Thanks for watching. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट अवश्य दें। प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी करें।